Welcome to Module 6, Building Resilience. In this lecture, we're focusing on two key concepts that are essential when dealing with difficult people: emotional intelligence and resilience. Emotional intelligence helps us understand and manage our emotions, while resilience allows us to bounce back from challenges. When combined, these two skills give us the strength to handle conflicts, maintain healthy relationships, and protect our well-being in the face of adversity. Let's explore how developing emotional intelligence can help build resilience in our personal and professional lives. Learning objectives. After completing this lecture, you should be able to understand what emotional intelligence is and how it relates to resilience. Learn practical strategies to develop emotional intelligence. Develop techniques for building resilience to navigate difficult situations with strength and emotional balance. Life is full of challenges, and how we handle those challenges determines how well we cope, recover, and grow. Emotional intelligence and resilience are two sides of the same coin. Emotional intelligence gives us the self-awareness and empathy to navigate our emotions, while resilience equips us with the mental strength to bounce back from setbacks. Let's explore these concepts in more detail. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions while also being aware of the emotions of others. Emotional intelligence involves several key components. Self-awareness, recognizing your own emotions and how they affect your thoughts and behavior. This is the foundation of emotional intelligence because it allows you to understand your triggers and reactions. Self-regulation, the ability to manage your emotions, especially in stressful or high-pressure situations. Instead of reacting impulsively, emotionally intelligent people pause, reflect, and respond thoughtfully. Empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. This helps you connect with people on a deeper level and respond to their needs without judgment. Social skills, the ability to navigate social interactions, build rapport, and manage relationships effectively. Motivation, staying focused on long-term goals, even in the face of setbacks or difficulties. Emotionally intelligent people are driven by intrinsic motivation, which helps them push through challenges. How emotional intelligence builds resilience. Emotional intelligence is a key factor in building resilience. When you understand and manage your emotions, you're better equipped to handle adversity. Resilience doesn't mean ignoring difficulties or pretending everything is fine. It's about facing challenges head-on and finding ways to move forward. Emotional intelligence helps you stay calm under pressure. Recognizing your emotions is important. So, to stay calm under pressure, you can maintain a clear mind during stressful situations. Bounce back from setbacks. Emotionally intelligent people can reframe failures as opportunities to learn and grow, which is essential for resilience. Build stronger relationships. Empathy and social skills help you create a support network that can provide comfort and guidance when you're facing tough times. Maintain optimism. Emotionally intelligent people are more likely to stay positive during difficult situations, which helps them stay motivated and focused on solutions. Story illustration. Let me share a story about Lauren, a team leader in a high-pressure work environment. Lauren was known for her emotional intelligence. She was calm, compassionate, and able to navigate conflicts without losing her cool. One day, her team was faced with a major setback. A project they had worked on for months was rejected by the client. While the team was discouraged and upset, Lauren stepped in to lift their spirits. Instead of letting emotions take over, she acknowledged everyone's feelings, encouraged them to share their frustrations, and then shifted the conversation to focus on what they had learned and how they could improve the project. Thanks to her emotional intelligence, Lauren helped her team bounce back, demonstrating resilience in the face of failure. Moral of the story: Lauren's ability to manage her emotions and empathize with her team allowed her to handle the setback with resilience. Emotional intelligence not only helped her stay calm but also helped her guide her team through a challenging situation. Strategies for developing emotional intelligence. Practice self-awareness. Start by regularly checking in with yourself. Ask, what am I feeling right now, and why am I feeling this way? The more you understand your emotions, the better you can manage them. Keeping a journal can help you track your emotions and identify patterns. Example: if you notice that you often feel frustrated during meetings, reflect on whether it's due to feeling unheard, overwhelmed, or something else. Identifying the cause helps you manage your emotions more effectively. Pause before reacting. When emotions run high, it's easy to react impulsively. Developing emotional intelligence involves pausing to think before you respond. This can prevent emotional outbursts and help you communicate more clearly and calmly. Example: if someone says something that triggers an emotional response, take a deep breath and pause before responding. Ask yourself, what's the best way to handle this situation? Develop empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand another person's emotions. Practicing empathy can help you build stronger relationships and respond to others with compassion, even when they're being difficult. Example: the next time a friend or colleague expresses frustration, listen without interrupting and try to understand their point of view. Show that you care by validating their feelings before offering advice or solutions. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Resilience is built by embracing challenges, not avoiding them. When faced with adversity, focus on what you can learn from the experience rather than seeing it as a setback. Example: if you experience failure at work or in a relationship, ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? Viewing challenges as learning experiences will strengthen your resilience over time. The foundation and walls of a building. Think of emotional intelligence and resilience like the foundation and walls of a building. Emotional intelligence is the foundation. It keeps the building stable by helping you understand and manage your emotions. Resilience is like the walls, strong enough to stand up to storms and pressures. When the foundation, emotional intelligence, is strong, the walls, resilience, can hold up, even in tough conditions. Moral of the analogy: emotional intelligence gives you the foundation to build resilience. The stronger your self-awareness and emotional management, the better you can withstand life's challenges. Follow-up assignments. Practice emotional intelligence by keeping a daily journal. Record your emotions, what triggered them, and how you responded. After a week, review your entries and reflect on any patterns or areas for improvement. The next time you face a setback, write down 3 things you learned from the experience and how it will help you become more resilient in the future. So let us know, have you ever faced a situation where emotional intelligence helped you stay calm or bounce back from a setback? Or do you find it difficult to manage emotions during stressful situations? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments section. Conclusion. That's it for this lecture on emotional intelligence and resilience. In our next session, we'll explore self-care and avoiding burnout, focusing on how to maintain your well-being while navigating difficult relationships. See you in the next lecture.